Imagine walking into a bathroom brimming with organization, a place for everything and everything in its place. Today, we're exploring affordable small bathroom storage ideas that are also rental-friendly. Picture this. Your bathroom, however small, can be transformed into a well-arranged and clutter-free space without breaking the bank. An organized bathroom not only makes your daily routine smoother, but it also creates a serene and calming atmosphere. The best part? Even if you're renting, these ideas are not only affordable, but they're also landlord-approved. That's right, you don't need to make any permanent changes or invest a fortune to have ample storage in your bathroom. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by a messy bathroom or puzzled over where to store all those toiletries, this is your chance to turn things around. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you create your dream home on a budget. Floating shelves and wall racks, an affordable and stylish way to maximize your bathroom space. They are versatile, practical, and add a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Floating shelves are a great way to display those plush towels and bath essentials, while wall racks can be used to hang your everyday necessities. They can also double as decorative displays, providing a platform for your favorite scented candles, plants, or art pieces. And the best part? They're rental-friendly. No need for heavy-duty construction or permanent alterations. You can easily install and remove these storage options as needed. They're perfect for renters looking for temporary yet effective storage solutions. So don't let limited floor space limit your storage capacity. Go vertical. Remember, going vertical with storage can make a small bathroom feel larger and more organized. Over-the-toilet storage and shower caddies. Two more fantastic ways to create more space in your bathroom without drilling holes in the wall. These clever contraptions are the unsung heroes of small bathrooms, maximizing every square inch of space. Over-the-toilet storage provides ample room for toiletries, towels, and that extra roll of toilet paper, all within arm's reach. Shower caddies, on the other hand, keep your bath essentials organized and accessible, making your morning routine a breeze. And the best part, they're renter-friendly. Yes, you heard that right. These storage solutions require no permanent modifications, meaning you can enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free bathroom without losing your security deposit. So whether you're living in a cozy studio apartment or sharing a bathroom with roommates, over-the-toilet storage and shower caddies are your secret weapons for a tidy, organized space. So don't neglect the space above your toilet and inside your shower. It's prime real estate for storage. Under-sink organizers and over-the-door hooks, they may seem simple, but their impact on your bathroom organization can be huge. Let's dive into how these unassuming tools can transform your bathroom into a haven of neatness and order. First off, under-sink organizers. These clever contraptions are perfect for those awkward storage spaces beneath the sink. With a mix of drawers, shelves, and compartments, they can accommodate everything from toilet paper to cleaning supplies. The beauty of these organizers lies in their ability to manage clutter and make items easy to find. Gone are the days of rummaging through a jumble of products to find that elusive tube of toothpaste. Now let's talk about over-the-door hooks. These are an absolute game changer for hanging items like towels, robes, and even hair dryers. With a variety of styles available, from sleek and modern to rustic and charming, these hooks are a quick and easy way to add storage to your bathroom without drilling holes or taking up precious floor space. You'll be amazed at how much more relaxed your morning routine becomes when everything has its place. And remember, these storage solutions aren't just practical. They can also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Choose designs that complement your decor for a harmonious look that's as pleasing to the eye as it is functional. So, make the most of every inch of your bathroom with these affordable storage solutions. And there you have it, affordable and renter-friendly storage ideas for small bathrooms. We've walked you through a variety of practical solutions that can transform your space, no matter how compact it might be. From floating shelves and wall racks that offer vertical storage, to over-the-toilet units and shower caddies that make use of often overlooked spaces. We also dove into the potential of under-sink organizers and the convenience of over-the-door hooks. Each of these options is not only pocket-friendly, but also suitable for rentals, ensuring you can personalize your space without the worry of damaging your bathroom. Remember, the key is to be creative and make the most of every nook and cranny. With these tips, you can maximize your storage and maintain an organized and clutter-free bathroom. But now, we're keen to hear your thoughts. What do you think about these ideas? Do you have any other affordable storage solutions to share? Your insights and experiences matter to us and could be a great help to others. So get involved in the conversation and let's continue to learn from each other. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home organization tips and tricks. Here's to creating a serene and organized home, together.